Good evening, my dear students. Today we are going to discuss the important chapter that is called process costing. Meaning, process costing is a method of costing applied to industries where the material has to pass through two or more processes for being converted into a finished product. Applicability of process costing. The process costing is applied in sugar industries, cement industries, paper printing mills, soap manufacturing industries, etc. It indicates that process costing is applied in manufacturing industries where the raw materials are going to convert into finished product through various process. Say for example, t-shirt. To manufacture t-shirt, the first process will be we should get raw material in form of material. So then the next process will be cutting that material, then printing. The next process will be tailoring, buttoning, pressing and packing. These are the process we can find in manufacturing of t-shirt. The objective of process costing is to find out the cost in each process from first process to second process, from here to here. Okay, in these circumstances we can find losses. Losses can be classified into two types. One is normal loss, the second one is abnormal loss. What is normal loss? Normal loss means any loss arising due to normal factor like linkage, samples, evaporation, shrinkage and unavoidable spoiled quantities, etc. Here normal loss means from one process to second process, if any losses means shrinkages, spoiling, that loss is called normal loss. The second one is abnormal loss. Any loss arising due to abnormal factors are known as abnormal loss, such as loss is over and above the normal loss. Say for example, loss due to carelessness, machine breakdown, accident, okay, use of defective materials. This is called abnormal loss. During this time, while processing from first process to second process, if we are finding any loss due to carelessness of that operator or machine breakdown, that loss is considered as abnormal loss.